What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold in the last couple of days. It's Thursday, so Wednesday and Thursday. It's better than the 3 we had, but we still didn't do that great. I don't know what's going on. My name is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997. We sell all kinds of stuff. We sell media, games, sports cards, autographs, finished t-shirts. I mean, pretty much anything we find at the thrift store. We do estate sales, all kinds of stuff. Whatever we can make $1 on. We got a nice little selection of stuff today. Let's see what we sold on eBay right now. If you like that kind of stuff, stick around, watch the video, hit subscribe, hit like. If you hit subscribe, hit all so you can watch all my videos. Alright, I'm not sure where this shirt is, but it was a Friends shirt, new without tags. It looks like it's never been worn. For some reason, I have a really good luck finding shirts that look like they've never been worn. I don't know where what these people do. They just buy shirts and never wear them. Like I said, the shirts are the hardest things to find. I really got to come up with a better system because I have to look through 2 bins here instead of 1. So if I start getting even more shirts, it's going to be even harder. So next, so, hey, that's it. It was a Friends t-shirt. And we had it for like $79.99 or something on eBay. And we went ahead and took a best offer of $50 plus shipping, so it was $54.99. We paid $1.99 for it at a thrift store. Sold a DVD called Lonely Hearts. Only the lonely. There we go. It was used. We paid 75 cents for it at a pawn shop. Had Eric Roberts and Beverly D'Angelo. Never seen the movie. But we sold it for $11.99, I believe. Nope, $12.99. Hey, we sold a hat. I gotta pull this down. Not gonna do it one-armed. I tried that once. It didn't work. Right. I'm guessing it should be here on top here somewhere because it's a fairly new hat. But you know what guessing gets you? Guessing gets you nothing. Doesn't look like any of them there. I see some of the new ones I just did, but I don't see them there. There we go. Seattle Seahawks. We paid a $2.99 for this. It was new with tags, and we took a best offer of $39.99. I think we had $49.99 on it, but I've been selling hardly anything for the last couple of days, so I knocked $10 off. Somebody bought it for $39.99. They've already given me positive feedback, so they were ecstatic to get it for $39.99. We sold a movie called Pterodactyl. It was new. It came from the Dollar Tree for $1, and we sold it for $11.99. We sold a Night Ranger CD. This one. Yep, Midnight Madness. This was an older smooth style. Like I always tell you guys about these smooth cases. This is an older release. And we ended up getting, we bought it for $1 and we sold it for $19.99. So be on the lookout for those older CDs. We just listed this and just sold it within a few hours. Didn't know if it would sell or not. But it was a Disney Connect, still sealed. I think we paid $2 for it, and we sold it for $9.99. So we didn't make a lot of money, maybe $3. But it sold right away, instantly. It'll take 2 seconds to ship it. I've not been in this bin for about a year. These Sash shoes used to sell like crazy for me. And so I used to find them everywhere, and I used to sell them really well. And obviously I haven't been selling them very well lately. But I sold this pair of white ones right here for $25. I think we probably paid $2 for them. But like I said, these Sash shoes used to be gold. Now they don't sell that well for me.